Looking for the perfect wagon to tackle all your outdoor needs in 2024? In this video, we review the top VEVOR collapsible folding wagons, including the 2 Cubic Foot Beach Wagon, the 113 Liter Beach Wagon, and the massive 400 Liter Double Decker Wagon. Whether you're camping, shopping, or hitting the beach, these versatile and durable wagons have you covered. Stay tuned as we dive into their features, performance, and why they stand out. Let's get started. Number 3. The VEVOR Collapsible Folding Wagon is designed with durability and functionality in mind, making it an excellent choice for various outdoor activities. Its robust iron frame, with a powder-coated finish, ensures corrosion resistance and long-lasting durability, supporting up to 220 pounds. Whether you're embarking on a family picnic, camping trip, or just need a reliable cart for daily tasks, this wagon delivers dependable performance. The 600D PVC-coated double-layer Oxford fabric is both waterproof and dirt-resistant, allowing the wagon to withstand outdoor challenges while remaining clean and tidy. This high-quality fabric is easy to maintain, ensuring the wagon stays in top condition after multiple uses. Equipped with 5-inch all-terrain PVC tires and 360 degrees bearings, the VEVOR wagon effortlessly glides over sand, grass, and uneven surfaces. The one-step lock brakes provide added safety, ensuring stability when needed. The humanized handle design adds to the wagon's convenience, featuring a retractable and adjustable handle that can be set from 0 to 90 degrees. Multiple storage pockets and an elastic cord help keep your belongings secure and organized. Folding and storage are a breeze with this wagon. Its compact design takes up minimal space, making it perfect for easy transportation and storage. Whether you're moving, shopping, camping, or fishing, the VEVOR Collapsible Folding Wagon maximizes space utilization and enhances your outdoor experience. Number 2. The VEVOR Collapsible Folding Wagon is an ideal companion for outdoor enthusiasts and everyday users alike. With a storage capacity of 113 liters and a maximum load capacity of 250 pounds, this wagon is designed to handle heavy-duty tasks with ease. Its robust iron frame, powder-coated for corrosion resistance, ensures long-lasting durability, making it perfect for a variety of activities, from camping and gardening to shopping and family picnics. The high-quality 600D PVC-coated Oxford fabric is both waterproof and dirt-resistant, allowing the wagon to maintain its cleanliness and integrity even after repeated use. This makes it an excellent choice for outdoor adventures where durability and easy maintenance are essential. Equipped with 5-inch all-terrain PVC tires and 360 degrees bearings, the wagon navigates smoothly over sand, grass, and uneven surfaces. The inclusion of one-step lock brakes adds a layer of safety, ensuring the wagon stays securely in place when needed. The humanized handle design is another standout feature, offering a retractable and adjustable handle that can be set from 0 to 90 degrees for comfortable handling. Multiple storage pockets and an elastic cord keep your items organized and secure. When not in use, the wagon folds easily into a compact size, making storage and transportation a breeze. Whether you're hauling gear to the beach, transporting groceries, or carrying gardening supplies, the VEVOR Collapsible Folding Wagon is a versatile and reliable tool for all your needs. Number 1. The VEVOR Foldable Double Decker Wagon is a powerhouse of convenience and durability, designed to handle a wide range of tasks with ease. Boasting a 400-liter storage capacity, this wagon features double-layer storage with 167-liter in the upper compartment and 137-liter in the lower, making it perfect for camping gear, groceries, garden tools, and more. Crafted from high-strength iron with a powder-coated finish, the wagon is built to last, supporting up to 450 pounds. Its 600D PVC-coated Oxford fabric is both waterproof and stain-resistant, ensuring that it remains clean and durable in various outdoor environments. Whether you're navigating sandy beaches, grassy parks, or uneven terrain, the 7x4-inch all-terrain PVC tires with 360 degrees bearings provide smooth, reliable transport. The one-step lock brakes add an extra layer of safety, keeping the wagon secure when stationary. The humanized handle design is both retractable and adjustable, offering comfortable handling with multiple storage pockets for small items. The foldable design of the wagon makes it incredibly easy to set up and store, folding down to a compact size that fits in most car trunks or storage spaces. Whether you're heading out for a day at the beach, a camping trip, or simply need a reliable cart for everyday tasks, the VEVOR Foldable Double Decker Wagon offers exceptional capacity, durability, and ease of use, making it an indispensable tool for all your carrying needs.